Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will show you how to earn passive income by staking USDC on the OKEX exchange, and the return that it's currently paying is around a 20% yield. Now, if you're not familiar with OKEX, if we jump over to CoinGecko and search by 24-hour volume, you can see they are number 2 when it comes to volume, right behind Binance as far as spot exchanges go. Now, if we jump over to the derivatives or the futures markets, and again sort by 24-hour volume, you'll see they're also number 2, once again right behind Binance. So as far as liquidity goes, they are producing a lot of trading volume, and it is an exchange that I have been using. Now, I did my own recon, and with that being said, you need to do your own recon before you ever send your funds to an exchange. So before you send money off to OKEX, I suggest you do your own recon. Now, that's enough jaw-jacking. Let's get to earning some passive income with the OKEX Earn feature. So, the first thing you'll need to do is obviously log into your OKEX exchange account. Now, if you don't have an account, I will drop a link in the description down below. And if you use my link, you will receive a 10% discount off of your trading fees on the exchange. So, with that all being said, I'm now logged into my OKEX exchange account, and if I did not hold USDC, which is what we will be staking today, I could simply come over to the Trade tab, click on Basic Trading, search for the pair USDC, USDT, and give that a click, and I could actually buy USDC with my USDT. It's pretty much a push. You'll pay a pretty small fee to make that transaction go through, because again, you're just paying a trading fee rather than a fee that like MetaMask would charge through the Ethereum network. Those fees are outrageous. But you could fund your OKEX exchange with USDC and not have to go through this one step, and therefore you'd hold USDC, which we'll need to do this staking. So now that you have your USDC on the exchange, you come over to the Finance tab, scroll down to Earn, give that a click, and that will bring you over to the OKEX Earn dashboard. Next, you can simply scroll down and it will show you a list of different coins you can actually stake, or you could search for the crypto you want to stake. In this case, USDC shows up as a coin available for me to stake. And you can see the current APY is at 20%. So I click on Select, and that will give me a few different options. Now, to get the 20% APY, I need to actually stake, which you can see is considered low risk. But I do have to tie up those funds for 30 days. Now, typically the way I normally earn yield on my stable coins and other crypto I don't plan on trading is through Celsius. And with Celsius, my funds aren't actually locked up. I can withdraw them anytime I want, and they still pay pretty good APYs. You can see USDT is at 8.5%, USDC is at 8.5%. Actually, most of their stable coins right now are paying 8.5% yield. And they don't actually charge a withdrawal fee, so I can actually send these funds onto an exchange for 0 fees. Now, if you don't have a Celsius account, I highly recommend you do some recon on Celsius, and I will also drop a link to Celsius in the description down below. If you use my link, I think you get like $50 of free Bitcoin when you sign up. And with that being said, I also get $50 of free Bitcoin. Now, if we jump back over here to OKEX under the Earn tab, the USDT rate they're paying is 7.09%. So I would be better off, obviously, holding my funds over in my Celsius wallet. However, the USDC rate, if I stake for 30 days, my funds will be locked up for 30 days, I'll earn 20% yield, which is just a little more than double what Celsius would pay me. So for me, I don't need access to these funds over the next 30 days. I have plenty of other resources, so I'm more than happy to deploy these funds over here for the 30 days to earn this annual yield of 20%. So I'll click on subscribe. And an important note you get is a risk reminder. Once your term has matured, it will automatically change to a flexible term or redeemed. And so you would want to keep this on your radar and be ready to do something at the end of those 30 days with these funds, whether you restake them if that's a possibility, or you just withdraw them from the earn program. That's totally up to you. So moving on, you can see the term is going to be 30 days. The APY is 20%, and I challenge you, go into your local bank, open a new account with $1,000 and tell them, in order for me to open this account, you need to pay me 20% yield, and they're going to look at you like you lost your flipping mind. But with that being said, it is important to note that the estimated APY is dynamically adjusted based on the actual profit of the chain and is for reference only. And so I'm actually trying this feature for the first time, and I want to see how close to this 20% APY I actually earn. And I will do an update video at the end of the term, so now would actually be a good time to shoot that subscribe button so you can check out the update video in about 30 days. So really the only thing I need to do is determine the amount that I want to deploy, and in this case I want to do the max amount of USDC, which is just shy of 1,000 USDC. As you can see down below, that was the available amount I had, so when I clicked max, it basically populated the available amount I had. Now there is a limit, and right now that limit is a minimum of 1,000 and a maximum of 5,000. And from time to time I have noticed on other coins that the product can become sold out, which basically just means it's no longer available to new users. So now with the amount I have dedicated for this particular staking, you can see the estimated interest I should earn is around 55 USDC per day. And we will see at the end of the term if I actually achieve this number. And so if we scroll down, you can kind of see the terms of this particular staking. And if you want to find out more, you can click on Q&A or product intro. Again, it's up to you to do your own recon. This is not financial advice. This video is really intended as educational information. And so I've done my recon, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a shot. So I just come down to subscribe, click the subscribe button. I get a confirmation, and you might want to read through the staking agreement and click I have read and agree to the staking agreement, and then click continue. And now I have USDC staking for 30 days with a rate around 20% APY. The amount I have staked is just shy of 1,000 USDC. And obviously my earnings are zero because we just literally staked it. But you can see yesterday I actually staked my alpha tokens that I hold. Don't plan on trading them anytime soon. However, I am on a flexible rate, so I can actually withdraw them pretty much anytime I please. Thus, the rate is only 1%, but if I'm earning 1% on a coin I'm holding long term, that's better than zero. And you can see I've actually earned 0.1479 alpha, so I am stacking up a little more alpha as I hold it. I was holding it anyway. And so I think that pretty much wraps it up. Again, I will do an update video at the end of the 30 days, so now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. I will drop a link to OKEX and Celsius in the description down below. And in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.